So you're leaving me even though I changed exactly into the person you wanted me to be?
Yes, I'm leaving you because you're a pushover. You changed exactly into the person I wanted you to be.
But I stopped hanging out with my friends and I let you go with yours to Vegas?
Exactly. You have no self-respect. That's why I'm not attracted to you anymore.
So if I would have kept following my excitement and I would have gone to the gym and kept working on my business, you would still be attracted to me?
Yes, I would be still attracted to you because you would still do the things you value. So that means you value and respect yourself instead of being controlled by me just because I'm hot and you're emotionally attached.
Why are you being so honest?
I wouldn't be honest. I would tell you it's all your fault and that you're a misogynist, narcissist, and gaslighter. Because by blaming you, I don't have to look at myself and do sweaty work to change.
You still haven't answered. Why are you doing this?
King of Kings energy. He wants to help people in addictive relationships.
He talked to you. He talked to me too.
What a genius plot twist. Is it so you can show that being in an addictive relationship is both our fault and not only mine? So King of Kings energy is not being called a misogynist? Sorry, my voice cracked.
Yes, first off, King of Kings energy wants to let people know that he doesn't take sides with men or women. He just wants to help people.
Yes, he's such a charismatic, attractive young man and makes such beautiful videos for us.
Yes, he said we are not on the same team in the relationship. We are enemies fighting for feelings.
What do you mean?
We got into the relationship to get certain feelings.
Oh, that's so true. I try to get rid of the feeling of loneliness.
Yes, and I chased the feeling of being wanted. And because we chased feelings in the relationship, we became drug addicts to emotions.
Oh, and then we misunderstood those emotional up and downs as love.
Yes, and we played power games like texting games to keep the power in the relationship.
And I tried to make you jealous to get you more attracted to me by posting those pictures with George.
George can have you. I don't want you anymore.
I was about to say I don't want you, but why don't you want me? Now I want you, Jared. I love you.
Kendra, you just got triggered again. You don't feel your own value. That's why you chase my validation when I'm leaving you.
So we really don't love each other. It's really an emotional addiction.
Yes, King of Kings energy even said that once we change our engine from emotional addiction to values, we're not even attracted to the same people anymore.
And then we don't have toxic, addictive relationships anymore. How can we do that?
His relationship video masterclass to break all those patterns is in the link in his bio.
Oh my God, I'm gonna go get it right now. But before...
What, Kendra? I just want to get the program so I'm attracted to people I'm actually attracted to, not from a pattern.
Can I just feed my last addiction and break up with you in a powerful way?
Go ahead, Kendra.
I'm leaving you and you were a narcissist the whole time.